How to increase your testosterone level naturally, or how you can boost up your testosterone level. That is what I want to share with you people in today's video. But why do I came up with this video? For you to perform well as a man, you need a good testosterone level. For you to act like a man, for you to perform well, do your job as a man, you need testosterone. What is a testosterone? A testosterone is a hormone mainly found in men. So if you are a man, you start losing weight, you start losing muscle, your hairs are falling off, your deeper voice is no longer deep, it is a sign of no testosterone. But with good testosterone, that is when you will be able to perform well as a man. That is when you will have a deeper voice, your muscle will grow, and you will have a good libido. So make sure that you watch this video to know how to increase your testosterone level naturally, or how you can boost your testosterone level naturally so that you can perform well as a man. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men secrets and natural ways to keep men. If you are new on this channel, or today is your first time to come across this channel, consider to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So how are you going to increase your testosterone level naturally? Apart from avoiding too much stress, apart from having enough sleep, there are other ways which you can adopt to increase your testosterone level. But number one is have quality sleep. What is quality sleep? Quality sleep is when you have enough sleep per day. It is not 4 hours sleep, 2 hours sleep. It must be at least 7 good hours per day. With this enough sleep, it will help you to increase your testosterone level naturally. With enough sleep, it will help you to boost up your testosterone level. Number 2 ways you can use to increase your testosterone level is to always expose yourself to sunlight. That is early morning sunlight. Once you expose yourself to early morning sunlight, that is when you will get natural vitamin D. So enough vitamin D in your body system will help you to increase testosterone. And how are you going to get this? Only by exposing yourself to early morning sunlight. You can take supplements to get vitamin D, but I am for natural remedies. So for you to get vitamin D naturally, learn to expose yourself to early morning sunlight. With this, it will help you to increase your testosterone level. It will also help you to boost up your testosterone level. And with this early morning sunlight, it will help you to make your testosterone level moderate. Number 3 ways you can use to boost up your testosterone level or increase your testosterone is by making sure to eat enough protein. How do you get protein? You can get protein through intake of some food like beans, salmon fish, egg, milk, and others. If you keep taking high protein, it will help you to increase testosterone. And with enough protein, it will help you to lose fat. So consider today to start taking protein food in order to boost up your testosterone and to increase it naturally. The number 4 and the last is weightlifting, which is the best way to increase your testosterone. If you watch, you will see someone that always engage in weightlifting that have enough muscle. That muscle is a sign of increase in testosterone level, or it is a sign of developing testosterone. So if you engage in weightlifting, it will help you to increase your testosterone. And weightlifting is the best way to increase testosterone. You can also increase your testosterone with other kinds of exercise, but weightlifting is the best. So that is it in today's video, and that is what I want to share in today's video. I hope you get value, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, do well to hit the like button, subscribe to be a member of this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop your comments and questions in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.